sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video. Okay. Let's get to it. Shepherd's pie calls for a very few ingredients. It calls for potatoes, vegetables. I also have onions and garlic cut up. I have my ground beef here. And then I have cheese and all my seasoning. I'm going to season my ground meat. So we're going to get the meat on first, right? I'm going to put a little onion. So we're going to add that. A little black pepper. Probably y'all know the usual seasons. And then we're going to move the potatoes over here. Butter. And we're going to season our potatoes. Powder. Salt, baby. A little black pepper. Add the 4 Mexican cheese. Yes. So let's add it all. Some cheesy. And we're just going to mix it up. Some heat. Y'all see some heat? Y'all see that? Oh yeah, it's hot enough. Franciscan vegetables, which is broccoli, cauliflower, red peppers, what else in here? Onions and carrots. Oh yes, baby. Look good already. Just over some rice or pasta or potato. Lay the meat down. We're gonna lay the meat down. Let's add the potato. 15 minutes to 25 minutes until it's golden brown on top. Shepherd's pie, baby. Let's try it. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Who wants some? Have some. Who wants the first piece? A little piece. Just a little piece, y'all. We love spice and everything. Ooh, y'all, it's hot. I just want a little piece, y'all. Here. Have some. Ooh. Alright, I'll get it for you. Just wait. Have some. It gave it a little spice. I'm glad I added that. Yummy. Yeah, it's good.